I'm Nicole Johnson, Digital Content Strategist for Modern Salon and Salon Today, and I'm here with Lydia Sarfati, founder of the innovative skincare brand Repechage. Thanks so much for taking the time to join us today, Lydia.
Thank you, Nicole. It's a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you. We're excited to be talking to Lydia today about Repechage's presence at America's Beauty Show 2025, which is taking place April 5 through 7th at the Donald E. Stevens Convention Center in Rosemont, Illinois. Lydia and Repechage will be offering skincare treatment classes at their booth on the show floor, so you can be right in the middle of the action. Lydia
Yes.
will also be representing CIDESCO, an international organization that offers certifications for the beauty and spa industry in bringing world-class education to ABS. So first, Lydia, to kick off our discussion, I would love for you to give us a quick self-introduction and a brief background on Repechage.
Sure. Thank you so much, Nicole. It's a pleasure to be here with you today. I am Lydia Sarfati. I'm the president and founder and a CEO of Repechage. Repechage is a manufacturer, product developer, and we also have Lydia Sarfati Postgraduate Academy, where we share the highest standard in education for beauty therapists globally. Today, Repechage is in over 55 countries globally, sharing our exciting treatments and products for the professional industry. The great thing about Repechage that we are really true blue, and we are certainly 100% being sold and also treated by estheticians, licensed estheticians globally. So not only in the United States, but in many countries in Asia, Europe, and South America. So I am all about education, delivering authentic beauty, delivering the best of the best, and doing it through science and passion.
Awesome. Thank you for that. And what is CIDESCO and how do they contribute to the world's beauty and spa
Yes.
industry?
So CIDESCO stands for Comité International de Cosmétologie et Esthétique, which was founded back in 1946 in Belgium, with today headquarters in Zurich, representing the highest standard of education. Some people say if you have a CIDESCO diploma, it's like having PhD in aesthetics. As a president of CIDESCO Section USA, I am very passionate about sharing that wonderful opportunity with all licensed beauty professionals. I have a wonderful board of directors today. I have Lacey Gill, who is the director of education. I have Charmaine. Both of the ladies have CIDESCO school. Actually, one is in Illinois, Chicago, and one is in Houston. And what we are actually going to be presenting this year, which I am super excited, our RPL program at ABS show. The RPL program stands for Previously Recognized Learning Experience. So if you're a licensed esthetician in the USA and you want to have a CIDESCO diploma, we now have a program where you will be able to learn online completely, prepare yourself for the exam, take online 100 MCQ questions. When you pass, you will then sit for the exam. And that will be a live exam where you will show and present your skills. So this was never available for USA before. I really, truly, I don't want to say struggled, but I really ask the international organization to help us for United States, because we have over 180,000 licensed estheticians. We only have 15 CIDESCO schools in United States. Why not to offer this great opportunity to receive the CIDESCO diploma for those who are already working, that are already in the field, but want to go that step up and a higher level of knowledge and education. So I am excited that we are able to present this finally in the USA for the American esthetician. And I'm just thrilled to be able to present that we actually will present both of the programs introduction on Saturday and on Monday in a CIDESCO room 45 at the Age Show. So look for us. We have also great education. I myself will be teaching a 3-hour CIDESCO International facial massage, kind of East meets West, and rosacea program, just a chock full of advanced education that we will be presenting at ABS. So it's not just for the cosmetologist, but it is also for estheticians and cosmetologists that want to get greater knowledge, because today skincare and facials is the number one growing business globally.
Yes, absolutely. That's very exciting, especially since CIDESCO certification is regarded as the PhD of aesthetics. That's
Yes.
very exciting that you're bringing that to the US and America's Beauty Show. So let's talk a little bit more about your work with CIDESCO and why is it important to you to bring these world-class courses to ABS?
Right. I know it's a question, Nicole, everyone always asks me. They say, "You're
Yeah,
so busy with Repechage. What are you doing?" That's extracurriculum activity pro bono.
right.
Why is it important? Because ever since I've been in business and I have opened my first skincare center in Manhattan in 1977, where there was no such thing even as an aesthetic license, everyone that was doing facials or having skincare business were ladies like me with an accent, hailing from Poland, Russia, Hungary, Czech Republic. And the American estheticians were always kind of thought of as a lesser grade of a professional. And I always thought, well, why should they be perceived this way? Especially now that we have licensing in United States for estheticians, and all the licensing requirement varies from state to state, can be as high as 1,000 hours to as low as 350 hours. I feel strongly that giving the opportunity to an American esthetician to have the CIDESCO diploma will elevate themselves as a higher educated therapist and have a better perception of their craft, their skills, and their knowledge. I believe very strongly that this is a wonderful opportunity. I always said, well, you can either get my accent or get a CIDESCO. And I think it's sometimes easier to get a CIDESCO diploma than getting my accent.
Well, I'm not sure about that, but so let's talk more about ABS. So I hear that Repechage is going to have classes right at their booth on the show floor. That's very exciting. What kind of classes will you be hosting there?
Yes. So this is the first time we doing something like that, and it's new. And what we are hosting is continued workshops. So each workshop will be 90 minutes, where the participants will be able to sit and work with the actual product on the mannequin heads. So they will be able to experience 4-layer facial. They will be able to experience doing it, application of red out facial, application of hydra dew facial or acne facial. So they will be able to really dive in, get their hands into the product, work on the mannequin head, and really see and feel how it is to apply the product correctly. And I think it's going to be fun. We've never done anything like it before. So I'm looking forward to it. So it's not just lecture, but actually giving the opportunity for the participants to do some work.
Right. And that's very exciting because a lot of people learn kinesthetically. They have to get their hands on it in order to learn it effectively. So I think that's a great thing you guys are doing.
Yes.
So, what do you anticipate will be the benefits of holding the classes at your booth instead of in the classroom?
Right. So I just want to mention, I myself will be teaching a 3-hour CIDESCO approved international massage in the classroom,
Right.
also on the mannequin heads.
Yes.
That is a class for a fee. I also will teach in the classroom all about rosacea. That's
Nice.
also for the feet. What we're doing on the floor is allowing the participants, and we will be able to give them as well CU points, but it will give them the opportunity to really truly experience the full treatment by doing it and by correct application. We are also launching our brand new treatment about rosacea. It's a readout that we are launching at the America's Beauty Show. April is also the month of rosacea awareness, so we're very excited about that. My perspective about doing it at the booth will create a wonderful atmosphere. I believe it will get people excited, and maybe people that have not thought about, getting into the skincare business. It's always about show and tell, and you will sell. So the idea here behind it is experience it, see it, and love it.
Awesome. That's great. So, what do you hope your attendees will take away from the classes? What do you hope will be the biggest thing that they learn?
The biggest thing that they will learn is how to create the wow experience for their client. And if you're able to create the wow experience for your client, they're coming back and they will become a loyal client. So for me, it's always about the client retention. And how do you retain the client is by wowing them with the treatment, wowing them with the way you communicate with your client, what you say, how you say it, and most importantly, how you make them feel. Sometimes people won't remember what you really have said, but they certainly will remember how you made them feel. So in all my education is all about sharing my experience, sharing my knowledge, how to make you more successful. I believe that if you're successful, I'm successful with you.
Right. And that's a great philosophy to have, absolutely, in this
A good
industry.
friend of mine, Vidal Sassoon, always said, if you don't look good, we don't look good. If you
That's
don't
very
feel good.
true.
So I say, if you're not successful, I'm not successful.
Great rule to live by. I
Yeah.
love that. So now I've got just a quick little last bonus question for you, kind of just for fun. And I wanted to know, since you're a leader in the industry, Lydia, what do you envision for the future of skincare and spa treatments?
Thank you for this question. That's a wonderful question. For years and years and years, the spa wellness industry was all about massage. It was always like the number one treatment that people would ask for when they traveled, when they go away, when they go to the spa. But that is shifting. Actually, the numbers I got in 2024 is that facials are the number one service that people are going for. So
Okay.
what I envision is facials continued growth as also the population is getting older globally
Mhm. Right.
and people want to look younger. People want to look, holistically better, while the plastic surgery and injectables and all that will be there. But I think people are shifting towards more of really wellness. And wellness is having beautiful skin because skin is connected to our brain.
Yeah.
We come out of the same cell, embryonic cell. So there is a definite connection between the cells in the skin, cells in your brain, how we feel, what we feel, and that is wellness. So beauty is wellness today, and today wellness is our new wealth. That's what I hope for our industry now and in the future.
That's great. That's good to hear. So I just want to thank you again, Lydia, for joining us and giving us the scoop on all you and Repechage have going on at ABS in just over a month. And we'll be there too, so we'll see you there. And we cannot wait to visit the booth and see the action. So thank you
Yes,
so
me
much for your
too.
time.
Okay. Well, thank you, Nicole, and see you at ABS.